Hi friends, this is Nageshwar and welcome to my channel ITBud143. In this tutorial, I'm going to show how to install and configure Windows Server Update Services role in Windows Server 2012 R2. Here I'm using Windows 2012 Server and Windows 7 client system. To install Windows Server Update Services, come to Server Manager and please select Add Roles and Features. Select role-based or feature-based installation and select server from the server pool and scroll it down and please select Windows Server Update Services and add features, and here it will automatically select web server. Next, 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 and here please select WID database and WSUS services. Next, and here if you have a drive formatted with NTFS, and you can create a folder in the drive which must be 6 GB of free disk space to store the updates. So here I'm using a test machine, that's why I'm not creating this. After that, click on next, 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 and please select restart destination server automatically if required. Install. After installation succeeded on server, we have to configure this. For that, close, come to tools and please select Windows Server Update Services. Here we need to create a folder to store the updates locally. Select this, click on browse and come to C drive, and here please create one folder. I have created WSUS data and OK, and after that please click on run. This will complete the post installation task. After post installation successfully completed, close this. Now we will come into the Windows Server Update Services configuration wizard, and here click on next, and before you begin you must check that server firewall configured to allow the clients to access the server. This computer connect to the upstream server, and do you have user credential for the proxy server if needed. Okay, next, and if you want to join in Microsoft Update Improvement Program, please select this, otherwise please select this. Next, and I want to synchronize from Microsoft Update. Next, and if you have the proxy server, you can use this. Next, and please start connecting. Here to save and download upstream server and proxy server information, you have to click on start connecting. Normally this process takes several minutes depending on our connection speed. After completing the connecting, simply it will appear as green line, and after that click on next, and we came into the language. Please select your language for the updates. I'm selecting English. After that click on next, and here please specify the products for which you want updates. Here I want to get updates for Windows 7 client system and Windows Server 2012 R2, and after that click on next. If you want, you can select different updates. Next, and here it is showing the classification of updates you want to synchronize. So defaultly it will give critical, definition and security updates, and here I will select service packs, update rollups, updates and feature packs, and after that click on next. Here we have two options: synchronize manually and synchronize automatically. Normally for production environment it is better to select synchronize automatically. Since I'm working on a test mission, that's why I was choosing synchronize manually, and click on next. And here begin initial synchronization, please select this and next, and after that click on finish. Now we came into the Windows update services, and please select server. Here we will get complete overview of Windows Server update services, and from computer status we will know the status about the computers with errors while receiving updates from the server, and computers which needs updates, and computers that have finished updates. And similarly, from update status we can find updates with errors, and updates required by computers, and updates installed by the computers. And in download status, if we download the updates locally, it will display here, and here in connection we have the port number which can be used for transferring updates from server to clients. And here in synchronized status it is synchronizing with Microsoft Update. First we have to finish the synchronization and expand server. Here you will get different options: updates, computers, downstream server, synchronization, reports and options. By using options we can modify the options that we have configured previously, and come to updates. Here we have different updates: critical updates, security updates, and Windows Server update service updates. Here we can create, add computer group, and please specify the name for the new computer group, and after that click on add. By using the computer group we can give the access to the specific computer groups. Still it is synchronizing. Now synchronization is succeeded, and after that here I got 1114 security updates and 87 critical updates. Here I will approve few updates. Click on approved. Here I'm selecting few updates, and after that click on approve, and in approve updates, approved for install, and in assign computers, approved for install, and after that click on OK, and approval completed without errors. Close this. Again come to server and come to critical updates. Approve, download for install, and after this close this, click on approved, refresh, and here we got 5 updates, and similarly come to security updates. Okay, and after this I want to create a group policy. So for that, come to tools, open group policy management. Here I want to create a group policy in domain level because this can be applicable to all the users and computers in my domain. Come to computer configuration, expand policies, and expand administrative templates, and expand Windows components, and scroll down. Please select Windows Update. Here I will configure few settings. Come to configure automatic updates and enable this, and here I'm selecting auto download and notify for install. And after that, specify internet Microsoft Update Service location. Enable this. Please type in this format. Your domain and followed by the port number. Okay. And after that, come to allow automatic updates immediate installation. Please enable this. Okay. And turn on recommended updates via automatic updates. Please enable this. And no auto restart with the lockdown users for scheduled automatic update installation. Please enable this. Okay. After this, close the group policy and close this. Now come to the client system and run GP update force. Now come to control panel and select large icons and come to Windows Update and select change settings, and here we got that some settings are managed by your system's administrator and download updates, but let me choose whether to install them, and here it is showing the everyday 3 a.m. Okay, now here we got a notification that check online for updates from Windows Update and receive updates managed by your system administrator. Click on check for updates. And here we got 8 important updates selected, and we have to click on install updates, then it will install in client system. After this, come to server and come to all computers. Please select any, and here you can find our client system. Like this, we can install and configure Windows Server Update Services in Windows Server 2012 R2. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest updated videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.